this your car?
Yeah.
Tell us about it. It's absolutely divine.
Isn't it great?
I mean, the color scheme and everything. When did you buy this car?
Oh, maybe a year ago. And it was built by Richard Zoki. It's been chopped and has airbags. It's a 58 Cadillac.
Beautiful.
It's a 37 Ford.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Hey, sir, you're the organizer of this?
No, man.
Okay.
Not me.
Come on, Ricky, turn around and smile. He's going to take your picture for God's sake.
Organizer, I said not me.
Yes, you are. He's just bashful.
How do you know you're where you're supposed to be?
Because mine's a hybrid.
No.
It's a 1940 Willys. It's a Donovan
Come on
5.
over here and talk while I'm looking at it. Tell me some things about it.
Okay. Tan interior, really nice seats. Tilt wheel. The car was finished in 2010. The motor's a Donovan 541. All aluminum, dry sump motor. Rodex big heads. And the car's for sale.
Did you do all the improvements on it?
No, I bought the car done.
Did you? Good.
I was going to do it, but it was cheaper to buy it done.
You couldn't roll it. I know you couldn't. Nah, it's possible to roll it.
So that's your truck, huh?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the history of it. Are you the original owner?
No. I bought it in 80. I bought it in 1980 and it sat in my garage for about 30 years before I could get the money up to fix it, you know. I mean, raised 6 boys and a girl, so that's the reason right there.
I thought you just passed away.
No, I'm still alive. That was just a rumor, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so,
I got the cowboy hat here.
all right. So you're not smoking the Bandit, but you sure got the car. It looks like.
Yes, sir. That's
Who are you?
Burt Reynolds in the trunk.
right. I'm Burt Reynolds, stunt double, yeah. What's that? How you doing,
How you
man?
doing?
Good to meet you.
Where's your horse?
Horse, I parked it out back.
Yeah, but it's broken. You gotta go pick it up.
Has Jackie Gleason been following you?
Yeah, he's right behind me back there. Yeah, he's trying to catch me. I told him he'll never catch a legend like me. Right on.
Smokey and the Bandit.
You got a couple coffee time?
I just had it.
Hey, this is a beautiful car, man.
We got a bunch of cars behind you. Wait. Pictures later, please.
Such a beautiful car. Are you the original owner?
No.
I didn't think so. But it's beautiful.